I'm getting back on my work, started on the E30 again today because it has been way too long and we are getting caught up on this guy. All of my air suspension parts have arrived, and today is gonna be the day that we're gonna start putting that together so that hopefully this thing is rolling on the ground again and I can focus more on making it look good, such as the M-Tech 1 kit that we have and all the other things, such as wrapping it, making it look pretty. So we're gonna get started on this thing, and I could not be more excited because I've been waiting for these parts for way too long. And yeah, we're gonna make this thing work, and it's gonna work right. Here we go. Also shout out Auto Conduct.
So here we have some of the new-ish stuff that came in. And this was the actual manifold that it came with, the Stage 2, AirTech Stage 2 manifold, as well as the controller. Unfortunately, I was hoping I was going to be getting the digital controller. When I read the Stage 2 online, I was accidentally reading the Stage 2 Plus, which cost, I think, literally $800 or $900 more just to get the electric controller, and I think you could control it from your phone. And I'm sorry, guys, I'm just not that wealthy right now. So this is what we're getting, and I just wanted the opportunity to be able to control all the wheels. I thought that was really cool, as well as everything. And this controller isn't too bad. You can chuck it away, bring it out when you need to. I'm not making any crazy, incredible show cars, so I just wanted to go up and down, and this is a lot nicer than the cruddy controller that it had before. And I guess we got a fuse, a lot of air fittings. Ooh, oh, okay, a new power cable, that'll be necessary. Oh, extra gauge, because we only had one originally, because we're upgrading from the Stage 1. Some sort of, shoot. And I don't know what this is, but hey, we're gonna figure it out. Well, check out my air suspension setup. You like it? Tank's gonna be a different color.
Came out of Advanced Warfare, bro.
Eddie has arrived.
Car. So we are getting all of our air suspension fittings out again to kind of plan what we need to buy today. I was able to make sure that, oh god, that I have all the right stuff. I'm going to use these gauges just because I don't want to spend any more money on some digital gauges. I can always change them if I want to later, but I'm probably not going to. So got these gauges. I got two of them. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to run the airline from here to the back of each of these. Got our sensor here. Manifold here. Gonna have to figure out exactly what bushings, or sorry, exactly what fittings I need to connect those two together. Going to Home Depot, almost hitting the curb, and we see this cool thing. Sounds dope. Look how pretty this thing is.
That's cute as hell. Don't look at the thing behind it.
What's up, guys? Out here at the Home Depot. We left Home Depot because unfortunately they didn't have the 1/8 male to 1/4 female fitting that we needed. So we're actually at Ferguson. You can't see the sign. Oh, it's right there. That was a quick stop at Ferguson.
They referred us to Mesa Hose.
Damn! They got me set up. Look at this. We got perfect little fittings. Hopefully these work for my airlines. I'm assuming they will. These are actually nicer connections than what I had before. So we back here. Brando's over.
What's up?
And yeah, Brando's gonna film because he's the boy. He's the goat. So we're gonna get this going. Gonna disconnect this one so that I can take everything out easier. There we go. Thanks, Brando. Whoa, almost just destroyed the E28. So I'm going to cut holes in this so that I can mount the thing, mount the compressors, have holes for the lines to go down, as well as all the electrical connections. I also decided to hide the manifold behind the compressor, or sorry, behind the air tank, because I don't want to see all the ugly stuff. 12 volts, 40 amps, 200 PSI.
Show the camera.
And now we got two of them. Only had one before, so I've never actually had a little dual compressor setup. So maybe, oh shit, I'm tearing it. So maybe I actually need two of these relays. I'm gonna need to see how it's wired. So we mocked up our setup outside of the car. We got our water trap here, we got our two compressors, and we got our tank, and have our manifold right here. Two of these lines are gonna go straight down into the ground to go to the right and left rear, and these ones are gonna go straight through to my rear seat and run straight to the front of the car. Wow, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, this top has not been opened for a very long time, so we're gonna open it. Should still be pretty fresh. Oh shit! A little point. Gotta get your blanket, because you do not want to scratch up the
inside of the window, then you go all the way down. So the E30's battery's dead. So, might be jumping in with this bad boy. That one's giving me 0.4. Loud. Okay. Now that it's power, I'm not gonna try to start it, but I'm gonna see if I can just roll the windows down. Oh yeah. Doing this with the shades on. See if this thing still runs. All right. Let's go. 14. That's a good alternator right there. That makes me hyped to put the air suspension on. Shit. Well, that's unfortunate. See how the battery holds up. All right, we back. We've done some organizing and we've done some taking apart. So I vacuumed the trunk and I also took out some trim here. So, oh, and the rear seat. And this thing is nasty. So, we might be cleaning and repainting some pieces. Oh God, so much foam. That's some foaming action if you ask me. It is starting to get dark, but I've basically planned out how my routing is going to go. We'll be doing more tomorrow, but essentially my lines are going to hopefully come right from under there, through here, down the side, up and under, come right under there for the 2 gauges, and other than that, straight through the firewall. Let's get it. I am now driving the 128, and I am going to go see Mr. Joshua Laurent with his new Huracan that has now been catless, or sorry, for legal reasons, we pushed some buttons and we made it louder and faster and stronger, and there might be a little bit of fire. Oh, what the fuck? Dog. 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 That's not a little bit faster. That's a lot faster. You like that. All right, guys. Ooh, I'm kind of in like a. We're both wearing all black out here.
They gonna think we paparazzi. I came here wearing all black with my camera one time. They're like, "Who's here?" I said, "The goat here." What are you? It's like, no.
We're saving a spot right now for Andy on Rodeo because Rodeo's popping right now.
I don't know why it's like.
Yeah, it's like active as heck right now, and it's literally.
They're taking it.
A Thursday. No, they ain't. Look what this guy's Steven wearing.
This is alright. How much Yo, I'm 200 pounds, dude. I'm not a light person.
That's so sad.
I mean,
It's a white grand piano. It's so beautiful. Carol of the Bells. They played Carol of the Bells.
They were?
They were playing. They played Carol of the Bells.
Crew, right?
What was that?
You're not part of this crew. What are you thinking? Get off there now. Clear this area. What were you thinking going up here?
And after all that running around, we are back in Aiden's supercar. You know, the good old 535i. And everyone say good night to Josh. Say good night to Josh.
yo, good night. This thing sounds so good. I
Thanks.
love it.
It's about to get loud. All right, next morning, outside Vizu Manor. It's not, it's my mom's house. Eddie's here, but we have exciting news. Today is the day of Russell and I's car meet. I'm stoked. I didn't even realize how exciting this was gonna be, but I'm really excited to have a car meet because it's the first time just me and Russell together have hosted something, and I think it'll be really, really fun. All right, update. Devin here. So everyone's here. We washed my car, and these guys made me realize that I have this changer in the back that I've never touched, and I've never pushed this button, and it works! And there's CDs in here.
What was the guy in the 80s?
Jazz for a night on the town. We have Caribbean soul. Alma Carabeña. We have more jazz, high octane jazz. Oh my God, we're gonna have to hit that. We got more jazz. Okay, it's just a big jazz mix. Laser Light, Bowie Rich, big band. Ease Down the Road. Dude, this guy was a baller. So I got this this thing that when the car turns on, it always lights up. And it has didn't it used to light up? Does the screen not work anymore?
I can hear this moving around back here.
Really?
Yeah.
Like when I go like this? I have this thing in here right now because it holds that on, but well, whatever. This will be a future Aiden issue. All right, we finished a good old eat at the Olive Garden.
You like that?
Everybody's here, baby.
You like that?
And I am super excited because we're gonna have a car meet tonight. And even Connor's here. And Russell here, Alex here. Hey, what you writing? What you writing?
Come BMW.
Stop! Dude, that's the funniest thing. So for our reminder for the meet, I wrote Visu Wix car meet, right? Yeah. And Wix, in case people don't know, in German means literally means jizz. It means cum. So it literally says Visu cum car meet, and I think that's just the funniest thing in the world.
That's heat.
We got a hold in. This thing sounds so fun. Different motor than the last time we saw you. All right, we're heading to the spot. I'm excited. Josh excited. Andy excited. Nah. And, let's try it one more time. Andy excited. Yeah! Fuck yeah! What the fuck? I got him to move. I got Sky to move his car. So that electric is parked there. Because I want all the E28s in one car. Oh! Hello, sir. How are you? Don't make any flames until we're leaving. Just promise. Ah, fuck. Thanks for coming.
He needs to park that next to my car.
What is that? I don't know about that.
Where you guys park that?
So we're gonna go see if we can find people that don't know where they're going. Oh look, there's so many people over here. No freaking way! You're crazy, dude. You're amazing. If you go there and turn left, you'll see a bunch of people. Thank you for bringing us. Yes! Bro just played music for the past hour and a half.
What the hell is going on? That's nice.
Gotta get the footage.
Wait.
Don't Chris.
I have just.
24, 25, 25.